Have you heard about dark mode? If not, don't worry, I will explain. So dark mode is a dark theme in Microsoft 365 platform that shows in obviously in dark theme as you can see here, and it gives less strain to your eyes. So the dark mode is not by default turned off. It's actually turned off for all the users, but you have to go voluntarily and change it to turn on so that it applies to your product. By it's not a one-off turn settings. You need to go and turn the settings on in each and every Microsoft product. For example, I'm right now in Outlook. If you want to, I'm already turned on. It's over the settings over here. Okay, if you turn off, it'll be light color, and turn on. Yeah, so like this, a lot of Microsoft products has already been rolled out with dark mode. For example, for Teams, over here, go to settings and dark mode. Okay, and this is an admin center. It's already in dark mode. I'm switching it to light mode and switching back to dark mode. And in forms, they already been there, light mode, and this is dark mode. Okay, so in February 2021 they have already extended this dark mode to OneDrive now. So click on OneDrive, and same the settings, and you can see the dark mode is already been enabled in the OneDrive. So click here and you can see the dark mode coming up again. So I prefer dark mode. It's good for your eyes and gives less strain, because we software professionals, we're looking at the monitor for too long. So just go for dark mode. It will help your eyes less strain. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.